Are you a professional electrician? Then you absolutely know the value of using the best tools to stay safe, work faster, and avoid costly mistakes. And if we name some brands, Milwaukee will often come into the list of making the best tools. They save time, last longer, and make tough jobs easier. So how about watching some of the electrician's tools from this prominent brand? You'll rarely see any professional electrician who is not carrying a set of pliers, because it's the most commonly used tool by them. So, we have kept a robust, handy set of pliers for you at the very first. This is the Milwaukee 8-inch long-nose pliers. These tools are built to give pros the best grip and smoothest cuts right out of the box. No need to break them in. They come with cross-hatched, laser-hardened teeth that grab tight when you're pulling or twisting wires. And the pivot point is designed to give you maximum leverage for tough cuts. These pliers aren't just about gripping, though. They also have a remaining head for cleaning out half-inch to 1-inch conduit and a built-in fish tape puller for added convenience. Plus, they're tether-ready with 2 grip options: a dipped grip with a split ring hole or a comfort grip with a lanyard hole. So they're easy to secure no matter how you prefer to use them. A good set of screwdrivers help an electrician by preventing shocks and fitting screws perfectly. So here comes the Milwaukee Cushion Grip screwdrivers. Built for precision and durability, these tools are designed with custom machined tips to fit perfectly and prevent stripping during tough fastening jobs. Each of the screwdrivers comes with laser-etched tips, which gives you maximum grip on hardware so there are no chances of slipping. Made from boron-infused steel, these screwdrivers offer extra strength and a long tool life that can handle job site demands. For those tricky applications, some models come with a wrench-ready bolster to give you more torque. The knurled shank offers better control for fine-tuning fasteners, and each tool is marked with its tip size and type, whether Phillips, ECX, slotted, cabinet, or square. They're available individually or in 4PC and 6PC sets, giving you flexibility based on your tasks. No loose ends, no sore hands, just shockingly good connections. This is what you're gonna get from the Milwaukee M18 Latched Linear Crimper. This tool is the quickest way to get crimping done because it combines with powerful hydraulics and a high-performance brushless motor for speedy and reliable results, even in tough conditions. It's designed for one-handed use in different positions, with an enlarged trigger and electronic release button that make it easy for both left and right-handed users to operate while wearing Class 3 gloves. The head rotates 340 degrees for added flexibility, and the quick-release latch can be opened or secured with just one touch. Thanks to predictive force monitoring, it constantly checks the output force to ensure you get the fastest crimp speeds for any connector type and size, while making sure you reach full pressure every time. Milwaukee M18 Angler Pulling Fish Tape. This tool is made for making an electrician's task a lot easier and simpler. With its innovative auto-run feature, you can effortlessly feed and retract the tape without manual pulling, which means less fatigue for you and a cleaner job site since it automatically reels back into the drum. The powerful Power State brushless motor can handle pulling wire through a 200-foot run with 360-degree bends, which makes it super efficient for all kinds of jobs. Plus, the fish tape pulls faster through those tricky bends, so you will be saving a lot of time and energy, especially when you're working overhead. Not just that, this tool works with 5 different anti-binding steel and non-conductive drums, so you can tackle any wiring situation with ease. Just grab an M18 battery, and you're all set to make your installations smoother and quicker. Now, this is something cool, and some of you might not have seen it yet. The M18 Forces Logic Underground Cable Cutter from Milwaukee. This is a smart, safe tool for cutting underground cables. With its remote operation feature, you can set it up and then stand up to 30 feet away to make the cut. Cool, isn't it? This remote operation will keep you safe from energized lines. This tool has built-in safety measures, which you can activate by just 3 steps, so you know it's ready to go without any accidental cuts. Once the cut is complete, a green light lets you know it's done. This remote cutter is designed to keep you safe by letting you stay clear of any potential hazards, making it a better choice than other cutters out there. It's all about getting the job done safely while protecting yourself. The next tool on our list has two simple goals: replacing the repetitive motion of conventional hand tools and saving a lot time. Say hi to the Milwaukee Digital Torque Wrench. This wrench boasts an efficient motor that boosts productivity and gives you precise torque accuracy. If you want some variation, you can choose between the available in 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch sizes. These wrenches speed up installation by 50% compared to using traditional hand tools or two-tool setups, and they help prevent over-tightening of fasteners. Using it is easy. Just set your desired torque, pull the trigger to get it spinning, and the tool will automatically stop just before reaching your target to avoid over-torquing. You'll finish the job by hand to hit the exact torque, and the tool will let you know you're good to go with sound, vibrations, LED lights, and on-screen alerts. The Milwaukee Green Crossline Laser is a versatile tool that makes leveling and alignment a breeze with its 4-point functionality. It projects bright green beams for easy visibility, working up to 38 meters, and runs for over 9 hours on an M12B3 battery. This laser has a handy 3-mode pendulum system. Manual mode lets you use it at any angle. Self-leveling mode shows if it's not level within a 4-degree range, and pendulum lock mode keeps it safe during transport. It also comes with a magnetic bracket that can stick to steel or wood studs, and has a 1/4 inch and 5/8 inch tripod thread for easy mounting. The bracket allows for 360-degree rotation and has a micro control knob for quick point-to-point adjustments. So whenever you need leveling F in your wiring tasks, this crossline laser will help you to get the best position. You might have thinking, what is this? Is that any kind of toy car remote? Well, this is the Milwaukee Fluorescent lamp and ballast tester, a handy tool for quickly diagnosing issues with fluorescent lamps and ballasts. It's designed to test lamps and ballasts without needing any power source, making it easy to check for failures on the spot. The tester features a simple one-button operation, so you can get results fast without any complicated setup. Plus, it has an LED indicator that clearly shows whether the lamp is good or if the ballast needs replacing. Lightweight and portable, this tester is perfect for electricians and maintenance pros who need to troubleshoot lighting problems efficiently and effectively. While working on a new building project, electricians often need a simple cutting tool for wiring and cable placement. That's why we have kept the M12 subcompact multi-material cutoff tool on our list. Though this tool is not intentionally made for electricians, they can benefit from it in many ways. This tool is perfect for making 100mm cuts in cable tray covers, especially when paired with a thin metal cutting disc. This combo delivers excellent performance on the job site, allowing electricians to cut through materials quickly and efficiently. Its compact design means it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for working in tight spaces or overhead. With this tool, electricians can save time and effort while ensuring clean, precise cuts, and its easy operating features allow them to use it without much experience. The Milwaukee Penlight with laser is designed for quick and accurate inspections, making it an essential tool for electricians. This rechargeable Penlight delivers a powerful 250 lumens of TrueView high-definition light output and includes an integrated laser pointer for precise communication on the job site. Its built-in rubber bite zone lets you comfortably hold it for two-handed tasks, making it easy to work efficiently. With 2 output modes, you can choose between optimal brightness or extended runtime to suit your needs. Plus, it features USB charging and an onboard battery indicator, so you're always ready for the next job. Built tough, the Penlight is IP54 rated for water and dust resistance and can withstand impacts from up to 2 meters, so it can survive the rigors of any job site. Stripping cables can be a challenge, but with Milwaukee cable strippers, you'll transform your workflow. These tools make stripping safer and more efficient by eliminating exposed blades. Their compact, right-angle design allows for easy handling in tight spaces, while the bushing design and adjustable depth gauge ensure precise and consistent strips every time. What's more, these strippers are compatible with all Milwaukee bushings and competitive quick-change bushings, offering unmatched versatility for all your cable stripping tasks. Revolutionize your stripping process with Milwaukee and experience the ultimate in safety, efficiency, and precision. So, that's all? Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.